Hello, boys and girls. My name is Dr. Laura,
and welcome to my laboratory.
In today's STEM Online, we will make these deliciously ghoulish gummy worms come to life.
It's science. Now it's time to collect the test subjects. I'm afraid they've grown quite weary. But do not worry, our test subjects will soon rise from their slumber. But first, allow me to check for the right ingredients. Let's see. We will need some snake venom. And what else? Let's see. We need, here it is. Zombie brew. Bone dust. You non-mad scientists might say water, vinegar, and baking soda. For our first potion, we will take some heated snake venom, water, and we will pour it in a glass. Next, we will put in the bone dust. And we will mix together the snake venom and bone dust, hot water and baking soda. And we will stir until each ingredient vanishes and becomes one complete enchanting elixir. And our friends will rest in the concoction for 20 minutes. And now it is time to witness the chemical reaction that will make my worms dance and come to life. I will start by taking some zombie vinegar and putting it in a cup. When combined, these ingredients create a reaction that make glorious and ghastly bubbles filled with carbon dioxide.
Oh, watching the bubbles writhe around brings me such a hideous delight. Mwahaha, they're alive! I shall call them Frankenworms. The bubbles are just like this delicious drink that your parents probably don't want you drinking too much of. Soda! And when the bubbles wiggle inside of the worms and floats underneath them, it brings them to life. You must excuse me. It's almost nightfall, and I shall soon return to my chambers. But before we depart, I will send my Frankenworms back into their haunted mansion, where they will dance until I take over the world.